68 years of non-stop hiccups. Imagine living a lifetime with an involuntary contraction every few seconds. Charles Osborne holds this record, starting in 1922 and finally stopping in 1990. Doctors tried everything, but nothing worked. He hiccuped through his entire adult life. Just think about it, over decades, he had to adapt every aspect of his daily routine, from eating to sleeping, all while hiccuping relentlessly. Despite this, he managed to lead a relatively normal life, even raising a family. His story is a testament to human resilience, turning a persistent challenge into a remarkable tale of endurance.